This lesson is going to look at translating or moving quadratic equations on the grid. So we're going to start off with the parent function or the mother function, which is always y equals x squared. The vertex is x equals 0, or the axis of symmetry is x equals 0, and the vertex is 0, 0, and then the table is shown. So that is the mother function or the parent function of a quadratic function. Now, if we're going to look at functions in the form y equals ax squared, notice the values of a. As the absolute value gets bigger of a, the parabola becomes narrower. So as the coefficient of a of x squared gets larger, or larger in the negative sense, then the graph becomes more narrow. If we're looking at this type of translation, y equals x squared plus c, when you are adding a number as c, the graph moves x squared up that many direct units. If you are subtracting a number as c, that moves the graph down that many units. If we're looking at the translation y equals x plus h squared, again still starting off with the parent or mother function, if we're adding to x, it moves the graph that many spaces to the left. If we are subtracting from x, it moves that many spaces to the right. If we have both in there, the h and the k, it does the same at both times. So the h moves it left or right based on what we just said, and the k moves it up or down depending on whether it's positive or negative, as we just talked about.